Want to watch every touchdown from every game in real time? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can access NFL RedZone. If you have YouTube TV, you want to open the YouTube TV app or open up any web browser and head over to tv.youtube.com, sign in and make sure you've added the Sports Plus package. Once it's active, you will see NFL RedZone in your live channel list on Sundays. If you have NFL Sunday Ticket plus RedZone through YouTube, then you want to launch open the YouTube app. Now you want to sign in with the Google account that you used to purchase it on. Now head over to Your Movies and TV or search NFL Red Zone on game day. It'll be ready to stream alongside your Sunday ticket games. Other live streaming TV services like Hulu, Live TV, Sling TV and Fubo also carry Red Zone as an add-on. Once you subscribe, you can watch directly in their app or on supported smart TV, streaming devices, phones and tablets. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.